Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide, claiming over 17 million lives every year? How often do you think about your heart health habits? Let's dive in. Don't just watch, join the movement. Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our hottest content. Let's turn up the heat and get sexy together. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death globally? Today on Getting Sexy Back, we're diving into how to boost your heart health naturally. After all, a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being and longevity. Stay tuned as we tackle this critical topic and share practical tips to keep your heart in top shape. Heart disease is a growing concern, affecting millions globally. It's responsible for nearly 1 in every 4 deaths in the United States alone, making it the leading cause of death for both men and women. The problem is no longer limited to older adults. Heart disease is increasingly affecting younger populations. Factors like poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, and chronic stress contribute significantly to this rise. But traditional treatments often come with their own sets of complications and side effects. That's why more people are turning towards natural solutions. Addressing heart health naturally not only helps in preventing and managing the condition, but also promotes overall wellness without the unwanted side effects. Adopting a heart-healthy lifestyle encompassing diet, exercise, and stress reduction can provide a holistic shield against heart disease, proving that sometimes the best remedies are those nature has already provided. From a diet perspective, let's delve into some heart-healthy foods. Black beans are packed with nutrients that support heart health, including folate, antioxidants, and magnesium, which can help lower blood pressure. Adding a serving of oily fish like salmon or tuna introduces omega-3 fatty acids into your diet, which can reduce the risk of heart rhythm disorders and lower blood pressure. For a plant-based option, walnuts are an excellent choice, offering monounsaturated fats and fiber that can lower cholesterol. Exercise is another key factor. Regular physical activity such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming can strengthen your heart and improve overall cardiovascular health. Even stationary cycling machines can be a great option for those with limited mobility, as they help to enhance heart function. Don't underestimate the power of stress management. Techniques like mindfulness meditation, yoga, and deep breathing can significantly reduce stress levels, which in turn helps regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can make a substantial difference in your overall well-being. And remember, always consult with your doctor before making any significant lifestyle changes, especially if you have a pre-existing health condition. Let's dive into one of the most fascinating breakthroughs in heart health: the impact of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly those found in salmon and other oily fish. These superfoods are rich in omega-3s, which are known to lower blood pressure, reduce triglyceride levels, and curb inflammation. The American Heart Association recommends eating at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to reap these benefits. But what makes omega-3s so special? Research shows that they help stabilize the heart's rhythm, making them particularly beneficial for preventing arrhythmias. Omega-3s also keep the blood thin, lowering the chances of clots that can lead to heart attacks. Additionally, these healthy fats support the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that helps to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. For those who aren't fans of fish, there are other sources like flaxseed, chia seeds, and walnuts that also offer robust doses of these heart-healthy fats. Incorporating these foods into your diet is a simple, delicious way to make a big impact on your cardiovascular health. With these powerful insights, you can take proactive steps towards a healthier heart, naturally. So, to wrap things up, we've discussed the alarming rise in heart disease rates and examined several natural ways to bolster your heart health, from nutritious foods and regular exercise to effective stress management techniques. Remember, integrating these natural practices into your daily life can make a significant impact on your overall heart health. We've covered some amazing natural ways to boost your heart health today. We've got everything you need to feel and look your best. So why wait? Hit that like button, smash subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Head to the comments section and share your favorite heart-healthy tips with our community. Don't forget to check out our next video on more ways to keep your heart in tip-top shape. See you there!